Hello and welcome to my channel. In this JavaScript exercise, you are asked to determine which of these values is falsy. Falsy values are values which evaluate to false when converted to a Boolean. If you haven't made your choice, feel free to pause the video and resume when you get the chance. The correct answer is the empty string. All other options evaluate to true when typecast to Boolean. The false values in JavaScript are the Boolean false, null, undefined, the number 0, NaN or not a number, and the empty string. If a string contains a space, JavaScript will consider it to be a true value. Let me illustrate this in the browser's console. I can use the Boolean constructor without the new keyword to coerce the data type into a Boolean. When I pass an empty string, I get false. For the space, the string false, and the string 0, I get true. I have linked the Mozilla web docs in the description if you'd like to read further about falsy values. On the page, you can see that also -0 and begin0 are falsy. To take my complete JavaScript quiz, from which I have taken this question, please visit pmcoding.co.uk/trickyjs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I regularly post front-end tutorials as well. For any questions, please leave a comment below or DM me on Twitter @pmcoding. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.